struggling to lose weight after 60, no matter how careful you are during the day. The culprit might be your late-night snacks quietly sabotaging your efforts. But what if swapping just one snack tonight could help burn fat while you sleep, boost your metabolism, and even improve your sleep? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal 3 nighttime snacks that actually help seniors melt stubborn pounds. And one of them might already be in your kitchen. Let's talk about why these 3 nighttime snacks are a total game changer for anyone over 60 struggling with stubborn weight. By now, you've probably tried cutting calories, different diets, or even exercising more, yet the pounds, especially around your belly, just won't budge. And it's not your fault. Often the culprit isn't what you do during the day. It's what you eat at night, when your metabolism naturally slows down. These snacks are simple, easy to prepare, and actually work with your body to burn fat, stabilize blood sugar, and improve sleep. Imagine waking up lighter, more energized and confident, feeling like your body is finally cooperating with you. Stick around. I'm about to reveal exactly what to eat tonight to start seeing real results in just a few weeks. Ignore it, and those stubborn pounds could stay for months. Many seniors think losing weight after 60 is just about cutting meals or hitting the gym. But here's the truth. Your nighttime habits could be quietly undoing all your hard work. That late-night cookie, handful of chips, or even a sugary drink might seem harmless. But it spikes your blood sugar, slows fat burning, and makes your metabolism sluggish, right when your body should be resting and repairing. Even worse, these snacks can trigger inflammation, bloating, and restless sleep, problems many seniors overlook. And it's not just the obvious treats. Some healthy snacks, like granola bars or fruit juice at night, can also spike insulin and lock fat in stubborn areas, especially around your belly. Most people don't even realize the damage is happening. They blame age or slow metabolism, when in reality, the wrong nighttime snack is the silent culprit. Imagine going to bed thinking you're doing everything right, only to wake up seeing the same stubborn weight month after month. Frustrating, right? Stick with me, because next, I'm going to show you 3 easy nighttime snacks that completely avoid these mistakes and can finally help your body burn fat safely after 60. Now for the exciting part, the 3 nighttime snacks that can actually help you lose weight after 60 while you sleep. Snack number 1, a small bowl of Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of berries. It stabilizes blood sugar, feeds your muscles with protein, and gently boosts metabolism, helping your body burn fat instead of storing it overnight. Snack number 2, a handful of raw nuts like almonds or walnuts. These healthy fats fight cravings, support heart health, and keep your metabolism running slowly but steadily while you sleep, making stubborn belly fat easier to lose. Fun fact, most seniors underestimate how powerful these tiny snacks can be for weight loss. Snack number 3, a sliced apple with a teaspoon of natural peanut butter. The fiber and protein aid digestion, prevent late-night hunger, and stabilize insulin, critical for safe weight loss after 60. The best part? These snacks are fast, easy, and use foods you already have in your kitchen. No fancy ingredients required. Imagine replacing that late-night cookie or bag of chips with these small but powerful snacks, knowing that every bite is helping your body burn fat, improve sleep, and restore energy. Turn your nightly routine into a secret weapon for safe, effective weight loss after 60. You might be wondering how to fit these 3 powerful nighttime snacks into your routine without overcomplicating your evenings. And the truth is, it's easier than you think. Snack number 1, keep a small bowl of Greek yogurt with berries ready in the fridge. Scooping and sprinkling takes just a minute, and it's perfect if you feel a little hungry after dinner. Snack number 2, keep a jar of raw nuts like almonds or walnuts nearby, bedside, or kitchen. Just 10-12 nuts are enough to curb cravings and let your metabolism work while you sleep. Most people overdo it, but this small handful is surprisingly powerful. Snack number 3, slice an apple and pair it with a teaspoon of natural peanut butter. This combo keeps blood sugar stable, prevents late-night cravings, and satisfies your sweet tooth without guilt. The key is consistency. Making these tiny swaps every night gradually boosts metabolism, reduces stubborn belly fat, and improves sleep. And the best part? You don't have to change everything else. Just these simple nighttime habits can make a noticeable difference in weeks. Imagine going to bed tonight, knowing that what you're eating is helping your body burn fat, boost metabolism, and support your health after 60. No complicated diets, no extreme workouts, just smart, simple choices with these 3 nighttime snacks. The truth is, skipping these swaps means continuing to battle stubborn belly fat, low energy, and restless nights, keeping your metabolism stuck in low gear. But here's the good news. Greek yogurt with berries, raw nuts, and apple with peanut butter give your body exactly what it needs to work with you while you sleep. Picture waking up lighter, energized, confident, feeling your body finally cooperating with your efforts. This isn't just about losing a few pounds. It's about taking control of your health, feeling vibrant every day, and proving that age doesn't have to slow you down. Your nightly routine can become a secret weapon, turning something as simple as a snack into a powerful step toward lasting results. And the best part, you can start tonight. Now it's your turn to take action and see the difference these 3 simple nighttime snacks can make for your weight after 60. Don't just watch this video and think, I'll try it someday. Start tonight by swapping one unhealthy late-night snack for Greek yogurt with berries, a handful of raw nuts, a sliced apple with peanut butter. Notice how your energy improves, your cravings reduce, and your body feels lighter in the morning. Share your experience in the comments. Have you tried any of these snacks before? Or do you have your own favorite healthy nighttime treat? Your story could inspire someone else to finally take control of their weight and health. Remember, this isn't just about losing a few pounds. It's about reclaiming confidence, sleeping better, and boosting your metabolism naturally after 60. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more easy health tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a simple trick that can transform your health while you sleep.